Fáilte Hugh Na Seansálaithe mas maidh seans a bhlaú blociad Na Seansálaithe especially Hugh me go le cheara agus mar géise le seo seans maidh go tú taistil suas go dtí EP. So is é seo an chléir pre-EP na pre-P na pre and rih EP phodchraoladh sin nó tá gceist leis. Mar is great man seo le moid chomhlaicithe le moid chuirde allbhórt mo chrí stíon tú ar dús bhairt man seo le Áine bhuiir Áine go dtí tú.
Ínta, well nuirtá an tagran seo chat má be me se I hí sa trádáile a líis so tá ad excited cai bhera. Tá mai súil go bhúla le glóir gailgóirí eile hí san sin gomáin.
I know, Gailgar Gnéisiúil. Agus a cant faoi Gailgar Gnéisiúil tá man seo fásta le íonn se níos fearr a hanna le seachtaí. Tá man seo fásta le James ó Fáilte. James, timir tá tú?
Go má, yeah. Sú go mór na sé EP, what is it, tafod on Preep. I think a Preep hanging lumsa this. And seo, ach, yeah, Hugh, I need a comma text for that chulúd ma just get a feel like go from him. No, chula Eagrán bill just da tíim nu at home agus tá just into.
Is mise an wingman is fair sa cheer. The mise jenna mi hill cudgy mod lats because you know is single Pringles mujanish so kind of a gherkin the hella kind of a kinche go like eerie much swastanish is malu hella so the mise just scary cudgy mod lat you know but because there's smashing the arsonish is like oh yeah and Gilgur Gnesil James Fáilte yeah.
Bhí ceartaí leor screw sort cóir le dating advice agus just na intros le éagsúile thugann Hugh ditse
okay. Yeah, you're wrong. But I go for your experience. I don't think we'll really think about Wemsa who is good.
How to be a great wingman.
I'm gonna read your dating advice as lads nachwell relationships are hard but it's an intamai.
Dating for dummies.
It's much in the dummies.
Yeah, dating from dummies.
No, ní canning san notion. So my thingy be to géis le seanish ma acting leor chat ma as dating from dummies. Mahain agus
Na Seansálaithe.
Na Seansálaithe. No. It's being published under duress to the charts. Blackmail the chart la and leor na karma achta EP in Dioralyte and Shaw or an Áine Shaw a len scalty all word chart and schedule and we inish agus sin nota an tawachta inish an app so chance an app EP agus ta amani area an app achta an Virginia genu our podcast bia míart because you know see the guy like nihigla in with the guy Marscar so much either agree so much shiúil ag ceathar ní ag trí mar dearan just nap achta ceolbeá is these couple gaelic ag an amsin so kinse bí libh hís in sin ag trí log le haid an craic agus an coldúidir ach ní bhéh Virginia ag genú an show beá gotí an ceathar so just na Jenny dearan but an táhachtta because you get she's be like cool Áine agus James agus Hugh agus Virginia skull cans.
During the moment tíhann sin could be an waki tú gohfuil gur bíd na príomh orthirí ar an bhobal gailge na chinál joch alcohol. So mar sin bé deochanna ar fáil den deir seachna sinam gur O'Hara's agus ní cin cin cean eile but you know bé couple of deir fáil sinm sa bhobal gailge an deir seachna seo.
Ní bhéh Virginia foiga ní leor canna bí cheanart. Like I know James in plan but the contract she's listen slab all work cans the Jenny in the fail she.
Yeah, so my casa could you shouldn't who's C sessions Jen who's doing them all. You might just fear so like you should do like face the kill more in aiding. I know in the gallery I shot next level done shot so I just follow mark to me agus dúte just fá slab agus said ma vín sé nu seach na och Canada chuin lá be dalad you know agus to ma keen to me publicly hard and nutrition like so like but yeah definitely slab more tá on actual suitcase more so tá cholle de se handel Tá chorú seán so ní annach suitcase so sin rud má faoi ach go éidir cin duine I cheapans tá ómsa ar a train sus go mar a clia maidin a híine ceappa churna beocu go go a imimice si.
James Caimera táisrín ar méid canig go le thuirta se tá go
Tá an cecha 8
níl se ro ísisiil se ru níl den bríáil níos mó a ceir go thuirló.
Yeah, so it's fichi ceirtá is slab so look base go moch man an ceach 8 I don't know but ní má go an áit tá I mo suúcéis me sos mé tá gáin chuitá se agus ní má go éh ge so ébe as suúcéis níis
Tá sé se leat. Ní hi glenne hort a hachan nerd just mat dinnerbí it síos le agus tá 70 CL de vodka de Somála acu chuirste haimmuid an pláisteach ina sé.
None of the pint glasses are fall just good shit in the tiki tavern. It's like bimage bougie and Sean
the bougie ciders no na IPAs navitur or other breed ass in a stalat or
no
stuff it tins no in muid plasta.
All the cans away.
Cai should bet shake mai. Connie me actually go me tag leor bars on fancy mlena so tá bar goin beer Moretti a wine tá prosecco counter on so I mean hope that those the mimosa either margin tá cocktail counters tá seltzer counters tá stuff on jazzig electric picnic mlena tá bílan oh ní sé can stuff ní shoptí chas but hig le arc.
Ní mó budgetach a cans lukewarm is amser sin
mé tá na seltzer komsa.
So mór atáigh na éistóí a bhí géisteach le na pínos Níor samscr leis picnic weekend show go dtí seachtainí. Chumir sé Thig sé ceam na lads, shout-out go Seán Brannach ar garú. Dús man an tent always. So yeah, no bother. So Seán tent agus ar a buin si chumar seachtach go shoebox. As you like, get that shoebox like. Seachtará festival kit rating home. So should I garú, right? Can I draw a word on home like in fairness? So it's a kit bandages on bandages, wipes, suntan lotion, chulrud marin, tá solas on le hin tent, is blackout tent on agus tá glóí useful on ach rud is useful hook se home agus seo níos neck genius hook se home agus mat begé seo bis rá dhearnach níos agé an hack se dhéine ó mata ámagé.
I bet you go gnéad nach an de seo.
Pútal fáile suntan lotion le hé go chuir tú síos alcohol an.
Stad.
Checkne Cé go check on suntan lotion.
Well tú optionir se a príomhíine le ag na ceolcarmacha?
Yeah, seach má bombag like.
But an ton na kind of the spray on can immer sin na was cost
No,
like made this cost to us like
spray the vodka.
Oh, breathment at all. Came out just
Sin ballí le leor le chalíní.
Actually,
she scooped Bulmers see the bells and a lord to lot.
On kill alcohol actually hooks at home. So the raw shot could seach leis on shoebox. As raw shot absinthe of jam.
Oh yeah, man.
Oh, Bairn, Arahort ditcha.
85% baby.
85.
Kaitos a kappa leis Hugh.
Yeah. Oh, Urkernam, came to Fagal. Well, that's that can't
Oh my God, James.
Yeah.
Oh, fun cake.
Yeah. I need struggle with my goal now.
Made to goal. What do you mean not made to a goal yet? We're just gonna Urquhart you. It's just gonna be Ogum, just so test and go to Dogum.
I don't know, better off my behave. You not forced.
You need to behave. I had to be but you feel like you all behaved. And we
laughed. Well, this go ta yoler nís mona rud biele na cogaslan of lat like Dioralyte, painkillers, Rennie, Buscapan, sun cream. Ahan rud mar sin onas nawal tú maru ahan wajin.
Oh yeah, ton of Dioralytes just muscle.
Pakalte.
100 not creamer, John. Is that like you know olbhí ach níos tá mar an duine is olbhí go an so.
Mar ní ein tú deis isce ó a chuir rihin lei, mar tá scona bháin in ahan láthair campala ní ein tú deis, ón tú beidir budháis gur maidin agus sinné den lá agus an sin ví tú tré as chorális bín do ligin is scoiltú an chéadháin eile. So bí réiles na Dioralyte a handanna.
Yeah. Jane the essentials being ogutse and you like fáilte ceol or like fáilte immersion like je a me kenche me ogutse dan Jerry seachtainí.
Buscapan. Bín mhla gcóí sin so tána Tommy essentials a liglum tá probiotics motilium buscapan renny ní hiag le rud a bhí me stopú an Jerry seachtainí.
Stad. Oh my god. Sin be me just tarsa nó do any me cos te go hen nach me go galú an Jerry seachtainí amman agus dur me jaar person lo manú vi si like vi kan thing each other vegan over agus vi si like oh yeah shot lad nach ho keel be wol se issue me to country nach ho keel be omse agus dur Hugh test go to go Moscow like sé hoger margin an lei hinnish
leor Raven the Woods a
oh ge helle is go homman agus but just like yeah no but the wouldn't sort the crack so just kind of like caffeine or if they walk along that just kind of like canny Red Bull or the immersion
tá Coca-Cola counter go bra ní an cinál sin
oh do you know the jail actually agus ma amsin thing can offer agam Dave shit han an sha faste I think be amsin me lom hey an offer sha the faste te VIP pass agam lahai and Casa Bacardi pub or whatever so I shouldn't pub with like a techno or father shiúil from my Irish number so and I think it's just mission +1 so ein dinne sin mé a re-electric pick because this is the Gary Tarlom ag éam then pe my love.
Oh so seo unlimited ag le éid an Deir seachtainí
just dúirt a bhí se like Hugh +1 so Nero
Bralam Casa Bacardi
so well agus be James lom ag amchartile agus be cabitanile te geir chart be si nig amchartile ní bhé mar cadí gom like den when you besti but pass and pass heart
Ben súra somehow ben súra
well níl Casa Bacardi dúirte is just sort Jean atá ann so ní gad srí bheith stíhan leis an ceolala clostal
I know, but then VIP pass Swiss the DJ booth. I walk through like the boiler room section, like expecting the DJ or cool the DJs being like this shot class, but it was like either just scraddle or close and DJ or whatever. Just a curse Jaharu. Shin Virginia. That'll be Shin Virginia Jenny
Curse Jaharu
or Boots and Cats box. Even great one sold as Jerry Seachtainí. No, be am special ogin IGP a caiimid or fui because Jira country solar hospital and tafid but just ní se ein kilobí an real leis na drogi leis an nis dus bar Roger la you cursi laha nímuid ag reg gur cheartid drogi a bheith agad agus gur nímuid ration ar Harvey ach ag an am cear na tarlín and stuff seo ag féiltí ceol agus but chorus craice acunis
hí lehanana gur scé gur nucht maithe bhíon an teachtain sin ar luis siad óga mis den na tastal dí le daoine sampla thuirt agus an sin teáil siad natá sé sáilte as an sin haí an garda sin cantasaí an teachtain seo dúirte óní bheith amnesty ar bhíar fáil áirbhí sanóna de lig so tá siad rilí rag mééis siad suirte lurcail hátar an onid tastal sin so ní dunar bíáil stuff sa chu thuirt ag náin
Tá me chun go stela bagí le shooters tíhan just go bheith like
baking powder
bhé an Come leis ceil sé slíad seo
just cá mór le tea leaves at Sean vision like this
oh yeah from a rahani tá rahani gum tá marijuana gum
Suckers, it's just organo
oh my god stop actually on the her like because Tarlíonn se Holland agus Tarlíonn se assassin is fásta go mín eisníon agus is féidir leat bresin tú písa le go bhíú dí éhaú agus sin test láthú agus le lenne uair test go céin sa stuff is tíon so níl chun roiad chun níos mó damistí dhéanú dat ar stad a gá. But den bhí gar sinna dhéanú cos má siúil tú Swiss just bé gar de tíra ag chart Swiss a chuúil agus be tí chart sin sin.
Tá daoine chun dul sa Johnsonis agus tá sin níos dáintrí ri.
Wad níos dáintrí. Dhéana se ein cíal ar Harbí ein cíal Harbí.
Agus be si de genú ní aga mééis genú random searches cumáid agus just níl sa go dé am go joí den igen sús agad as drééis siad nó caiim tú heáis. Ní ní dáin go sin cór.
Fásta bhí rud bhí altaíta an District Magazine faoi agus cin rudí punchínearna siad na ghfuil undercover guardí go bhí hart and their fad like so chance come out on exhibition like oh we have to check on this like just struggling hog like and then current to current to just freezing in the Éist or whatever so yeah
Caimara degra bean sheet on so like bean kid no undercovers because ní hagan dinner be like han she'd salig ar group as mu just see sin on the campala kind of own liscut Cash go jolinn rud bhí aimimsú like cé a dhéadach sin cé gná in ar a haú sin as bhí si sort léiste like tú festively like téiad tar fór leis so bhí just an solir like bíine ag daoine sílam.
Lads like na tragedy Harva like I caiú like na na spéic grain agus na
book
sup dudes.
Is it all took a calculate that canone? Was in class?
You was out to J?
No, like my hooking like undercover suicide the rest was a compound like people all trying. I was like my fear casting. They just got three on a calendar or so. They just got like
sí she's Picora Gutlin.
Yeah,
Gutlin, yeah.
But doch in
be sí láta be gabi ogin sure sí láta agus
Tuige doch be bui seo. Ní tad on. No, it's 8.5 it on.
Yeah. Sorry, but bring should button there. Bring should button there an rubs. Yes, some cane fog or should optwig. Ní bheith sin cart.
James just gone punk a chuir stair an muidir leisir an
le Tipex stage and
get a bit of sun cream. It's good avail.
Sad. Or the hard to like like actor like a diet to like a deep heat normally at this thesis or whatever. I was just Tasha the courage to her low like
crew Hugh.
Look a cab shouldn't the machine or a gab all gardas are no ní some cane got definitely the trick gan crack avail with law but yeah that's an darí agus like mono will ahrú take like solar ribbon cherry shaftine or even like few mono was gentleman's card avail shaw like they failed to call me and chugging niggas bay call for me and chugging like mono was like our staff more scarred like kind of will shop on over or Harvey
that's a scan rule mar Saudi do darlach rodégan do gannégan as sluise faoi sin níhaach dunar bí ní bheith dunar bí fiúí fannacht an godéil an deirteach na bheith cena có chuir he rodégan mar sin na clostal le tarlú. Scrisan se an mothú dearfa le gotá a dul raid an deirteachna. Tásúla gom nach darlín rudidir bí do gunar bí.
One ag buncher an aimwood an seo fi le hair.
Tar buile an aimid.
Nach mé in rudí mar sin ach seans cai so le hall mat gon sníanún teach an bíí goma. Well cefnig goh dó haí seá me Kennison. Well cefnig goh nar a ring siid MDMA letha ar fá le an éan.
What?
No.
Céin dóid napol cefnig goh seo.
Se le Jamie.
Se le ceir blianahain. Se ceir blianahain. So basically bhí gelí an agus bhí obviously sa gelí bhí se like cabú MDMA agus bhí sé mar páirt a lí an chart deile bhí sé like faoi like act an chart ach racal and act ma like it was like we should an say apnu like or apnu sure in da it was like fi sharked dum muerte yevis octic agus I think it was actually Gira of Fáilte Frederick vi like in Sheila Jake mi muerte agus ring German dan apnu so then la high le so obviously the already like emergency like legislation or this on edge but la high le away the MDMA go homeland la hu an Aaron agus you're cada ag ain either focus was and that so we having have to stay well
so ro den glaku lashin ro surge more divini achana or
yeah be like fee and mage like raises we machine be like fee Jerry grow spar a couple of dini
that's a constellation scanan shin nirta shed lahak is it dini waru or fa
the purge
like
Purge.
the purge
Beun purge a wad níos fair that ro just fi carrier agus vi cadig a hannig could be trophy scary just a hannig just like whoa
You're holding a tripping balls
so yeah because it's these snapping like an empty mayor the vet be like whoa and just like re-heart or you've like intasarm nach kunnig version Harvey though
no how did you arranging glass up better
no vi mis go bur like colin listen ke cool to double my law journey and skal so yeah I think it was a yavis need it was actually need good times in Tanya not what not
why you got to
Neger one ma trail saying road there neger grow my heart rain that but holma grow la an wild wink wink nudge nudge oh my god I can't ding la into my image a lord if we nu up all war attack James how much ho says a fogru touch a honave in the air James can't hang with can't hang with namas
No, I think I got to sex about that got
oh sorry mass way it's us baby daddy James no James can not a word
yeah so for my gloch le fogru go ma for the náisiúnta le AFL tá má puci le gimmers go for na héan I Croatia mi der fógur
anróú
goochan is ich heb ma be go an goch go bheith dúltoch le go an onrik ní heb ma gimme ma go mas trial zelle score ma áhol as wes in the backsto I sin an tipping point beyond so vi ma gar le zone mo zoele nu voor man goch da galoor op kun zeggen brian is er per agus per astralach mes so ja dan maar win wiki te say dat is nou maar go doen agus aan Jersey Glass gedaan
Jay a dúirt hisismóirí ar for si do má.
Well vi mór gober maar smaller so we should draw sauce like we should brood go on fairness yeah ich heb maar go puki vi kan al feelings en ik sta waar go like is kan al golden joy mis go maar any so cap go maar we games go radio agus go ratings kom ke wees aan it dan free water polo we gaan ik heb maar gedaan een team in dat board ja het van maar geleeg we mijn onkel wie daar switchen agus voor mijn jaar achter dat je so group chats dem chlán agus chuid mar hin agus dus mar was cards so agus agus nu chlostal be go already fe agi na me an hotel me goel si chuach picture en me an hotel kon locht tá puki so be radon as na Galway Magpies for na agus lad ook as garo so yeah.
Ní fánacht leis an Victor profisiúnta seo eáil an bhfuil de lá trasnithe agus
ní annach an haach Níach ná.
okay. Fi mis
Sweet
sweet
Skiror,
Yeah.
side
No,
profile.
That's Sky Sports style, you know, she'll
No,
second camera.
Tá gír ádaithe agus tá ifid pucaí agus so be pí fáach go ag into the picture inis leis gans here, of course. Be an náscin sta. So.
Think Commission never win a shot thing hug the charting shot. Hey. Bro, I had to bring it down to earth and left all war.
So just buzzer. She makes me on the roughly. So
that's a class.
That's really buzzer. So
that's a class. I was going Harry Marial like obviously thing be to get linne the tumble father test go like fear like ní vín rá van go is tí is seaamrla heile agus mar mu like go Greek whatever but go Harry is a James is a whole gafa agus go like it's a the heel like in sport or whatever so there's a whole just le fecal go an operation like feki daine agus what the full hands are agus go to nish you know or genu stuff for some the cheer and new when you're son the club because new when your son a Honda or whatever so kaimara
Gowakimuid sort an bitter an forbert as an fast tríd na mína that is a currently the like sin sta a train as goil sort go able to reaping the benefits and ish you know agus cared tá tiltte agad ail.
Tá go like considering go hosma on sport seo so came bléan ochan you know hosma fe hían so dimmer mar roch trí chluhe fe hían so chin you know Dioralyte same am go she say trials should this by chin is had she rud yourself Rusman know what that deal so come le chulrud agus just fear for yourself in this go chulrud taki to fruition agus go man on go mahoon at a flight in the noon go Croatian is and I think as book time is so even sauce.
Sean Cash though I made this like a bad boy done fern like I made this a cost like Roy Keane Hall Saipan like I made this a cost like you know because Cambridge get the juice of it is through Hall Croatia you know so Kane size more a happen to made to cost like
Imro is my cost honestly, I think it doesn't matter because like just telling the lads, bit of Thiago, like games Liverpool, just on foot on, just to get a hundred like the much go on like the much go like was famous the hotel like get the father in law was that famous famous gamers plays new games got a mark like because he initially said it so like the mission marking out Joker on anyways good team so we might get Daine chodáí ling sting chuin tein a borg tá go humlan daréire so is má an takeochtús go chun agus bheith vocal mar like so sin cinál duine mé go just go mar go nach cholle vi simpler I gimmert chomagus in den an you know so sin mission.
Bear an dul clí Hugh.
Sin Gira ma Dave Maslucher ma Gira smucher sin go gaimage gal hi clean chart and James O'Flyer the supporters club am shoe.
Ní aki mis James Brew gimmert. Sport B. Shakas in a man O'Shield to just picture as version.
Honig me gimmert anyway, but you know gimmert sport.
Oh, Connie mo gimmert leor Leahy.
Oh, Cleahy, I get the player a hen hang you know. Oh.
Yeah, you're not in the equation though.
No, you know. Our light as you can shot the score well. But yeah, kite you know Krishkelo, you know, to Cleo good in Aiden, to a gimmer, you know. Because bit to train on
be in the Croatia look fresh in Erlina. Ní mai kinte emission ein station television that but be based live stream YouTube AFL Europe so be daoine ná na cluí eiceáil agus takeíochttar soing sin, like he's me chláns a sin give a brandword, so be na cluí ar siúil ar YouTube should be like, so yeah, be daoine ná eiceáil I gimmert ní man anrá cumis ná eiceáil gimas go anú go agus níos an nu is that, so yeah, but yeah, just can't wait.
Buzzard like genuinely say vi like this fair
like a beam on show the good be now like garker vision
Magic Áine costas na fish Mary Cope Rodel much like oh James books sucking you our fun are we our baba had Jesus nach mai chatje nimmer because the
pluckstí jarg
yeah sin the one like toma kinin broder as go man anrá go capi now ag for an international looking sports dan is kinál ru leor like scale was on machtja ma vi on scale vi Hugh ger komí be getus go ma head ma vi ma go bra me ma anrá let in the school cool capi international go éing.
That's deadly. To hold it agus and think the good like could be sport could be like rud like a genu and the diath or the here is like rud all war so can you today broad less do you guess you imagine we World Butchering Championships chaga homan what there for by the way you a bunch of AFL or Harvey
Colin segue
no Neil said this is genuinely shy just rather Hollamar Maji cool World Butchering Comorthason agus cool arhu like chuig shaking yeah muck agus ba a year Swiss again criú and like there's a train a hand of sharting there's and mage number Curtis there's like agus Sacramento nish a jerry the sharting like all Higgin Rod shot agus is like and they did for an Aaron so then they're just no thirstation like oh kind of a broad because much broadless na latch and faster you came what God it's such a specific niche
tá netted tá like tá trade championships on freshen like being dini go known it's in a block layout Europe freshen a dini go mai dini in electricianal work horrors like that netted actually
the kind of bricklayers chahogal
laying bricks and you obviously
and don't to balla no cha no
yeah I'd say go balla is on in Ritkins Marhen because just ka horror that's into toidia the skipui agus all this crack like so
well, I never
the components on yeah
I may the first char sin fastness James machine get for an element the first char because he got to stop to do already emerge running at air level international you're fit the big leagues like
can't stop now
can you get level so and you need to boost your and you need to like world because you like that role come worth this on the running into chart like international Cali Kappa I made to go my hick
can't try to make it
oh that's it at a butchering hallfin
yeah ma kin go comórtas sin ag an rats actually
na sin agla birch na sin rud
leisgil just geall ná bhfuil bun ar bí agatsa sa comórtas sin na bí éadúir na bí shit learn
James a walk sin go walk ma crippa allwer aine agus tá just brúteach go man sin gur well I will bun agatsa le agla birch bhfuil
tree no carrot them.
Oh yeah, I can punk rock. Yeah,
sorry. We give them a good run for our money. Never much ni saige.
Sorry, I can punk ring my gland jarm with that shin.
Shin er wool in big time. Shin and can more in Madrid. We were from a joglula dahi or teach careless and shin. I rinna much ahan bene. Oh, better ishin ni gudi chuig jeg. How much dahi fa blianta. So gas. As Lubin or Nago Kamai. Yeah.
Gas.
Yeah. Those were the days.
Higdom fact will go to Anne the last because bring my joke away. I'm gonna go walk out to Criú animated.
Is you ready?
Sorry,
that I squeezed the
Smacht go marm hey nerish go bra.
Yeah, buíos tí a gnéanamid seo ar Zoom, because I think that gnéanamid seo studio bit tú tras an table agus bit thin leabhar mo bhainneáil agus bit tú like
How dare you?
how dare you?
Was snoí má fáte.
No, tá bre saohhain seo thuasan den ná.
Actually, ní me le tá mar siar an núning álan se.
Argranam caiimi se fágáil agus caiim bosil go bailile lia immediately, so se bheith.
Wat the gléiste mar seat ar bus, so
fao lethir actually.
Oh my God, yeah.
The thing bhí ná géiste example gur YouTube má caiú an gansaí Bohemians an jarú cearna leis an sihan Dublin bus. Like it's like ní champa sé like sinné an foiil go an de seo.
Camouflage, chocolate. Ní le dinner bhí just deach si duch ligan just a flóisiil.
Yeah, I think sinna dáhhain bhfuil think bhí go see armsa. Anyway. It can't be a genu trick or líní actually ar an segue sin. Sular Hashi would just a hannig James Martin really got agus bhí RA play like literally stop much in Cora agus was like Kaim with shaw play. Catfishes.
Yeah.
So there's this a grow tahi up to like catfish, but you're home to venue doc. Jane tahi to be like catfish.
Well, I think it's just a chuig in this goachma on fish sin Untold Netflix for your Matai Teo or American Football League Notre Dame was for catfish this day. Yeah, so like Hugh, strap yourself in buchen like he Tinder like you know that's the mohan like that's the cholot like finish fall. I'd say the journey news finish in seachtainí I'd say Thig go ads tuki home Snapchat again our friend which just animal it's into Susan like animal version in Wales like into Susan and then add on to it and then it's birthday love which is an obvious sign of catfish like
right
and then like that snap score I go like probably like fucking dead their scenes like so it's a completely new account like I get to do add it to by search or something but probably the key to store probably can't store hall home nah go that's much kind of Tinder it's like to be honest we profile kind of sketchy like so but you know what fucking chance or whatever and then that she in Snapchat or whatever and then push she picked around I was like okay Ricky getting off a show that was your picture I was look you leave picture from Áine ever just know that you feeling sketchy to fucking on so she see picture up as you see picture like basically both identical it's just like you know what fuck off as catfish I was literally didn't keen to it message you raw you're a catfish good luck I was saying ended there and then it the delete and then I think girls are like me there's hate go for my match Ella Tinder agus adult college Snapchat agus is it in see picture exactly what he the add a Snapchat back to back a format as you might like what the fuck like mental what? I say ní hikim kichi will be on a shinna air Snapchat which is non on pictures still show a whole I was just sent ad more red snap like was that as in like a regular snap
as ní bots no trolls na daoine seo seachas catfish
I don't know what like if they're bots that should come fucking get sophisticated come out like you know well
I mean you never know
well, like you should call them off like you like oh yeah definitely it's not definitely catfish like so then we should get a response or something like so I don't know like it's a bit of a crazy world in one like to be honest like so
how can I protect you in this
I wonder could Jane Gaelic or catfish Catfisk.
Catfisk.
Ní hoog leis an bheith ma chun seo chuirú.
So ní tá the weird thoughts mar hin so far Tinder Hugh, no?
So near Tinder ach blianttí a hain ring gira ring thingy iirecht catfish anywhere agus bhí se daon chat agus like an cin dóid nar amsma mai dús but a tanium a bhí na firma ma cuairta cinetron céile car a tanya bhí an contas agus bhí si tagga like thing chat random eile dar bhaim cara sweeney the seo anní like that I found out were fake whatever agus chuir tag her like random tweet to her my sources bhí who's your man agus dirty your future husband thank me later and I was like shit I got a raid like what the hell's going on agus basically bhí contas on agus bhín burchaku like double like in tandem like eile to be like to set me up leis an ban seo a bhín slunny cearna go marthaí and he was just can't shout like he was literally just being like oh I came to the Valere and all that kind of stuff and you know Jerry Ray and how are you getting on and I was cracking them like oh, it's time to hook you up like I do bully Swiss and ban shows I do and I was like I think we should actually macro my seer and that was the only thing people were like sorry my Jenny like taking chart or like got like a drama show or whatever not map to go I think we should just the got stomach head blianar and all Scott but yeah it was like a two-pronged attack grow you know it was like we're sat on my suas agus an sin gro shahana you know grown van le really carry Buddhist wisdom and I was gonna crack like seaful agus an sin seachtainí bhín contas amithe like the cuairtí man na username sin there's the comment amithe so
yeah
cén aim atá ag na daoine seo you know
I don't know transcourse I mean hánig ma pictar or hánig ma la text an sin tamláin agus réid bhí contas an agus bhí se ag seáú nudes ar ghlach thing bhí ar mé ar an ollscoil bhí just ag seáliad ag like constantly random including like daoine landse fásta so transcourse the guy mar sin anu like nimar agam sin dá go cuair pictar your man or whatever but yeah tá daoine sais cracklate artar dóin ha
Bhí daoine a gúsad mófector fa chuine catfishing you know we're going to gan ella is I don't know den eigen gromad card leis Tinder der cheat well archer shot she'd been juice at us as his picture do hainas then calling grom and maconi lehi agus vi an virtue gun in ahan picture so it was like that chocolate alama came dinner groshi de linketr who groshi but vi leor dar picture o Facebook but his profile pictures of him too like so vi stopped he dal go publi yeah so vi are reporting you know or who go Tinder agus an contas a scursu but that's just kind of creepy like that dini goose of the fictor mar sin
weird
yeah go hire you mata to like you know obviously this is a cadre like you know this got a model lad la hard a couple of years whatever that walk to then you like the hard thing you know screenshot of it like hey they will Áine or Tinder you know
the Áine mela
le anim eile yeah proper trying to live fully heelish whatever you know a bit ansticky tá just in gurk suas na contasy a bhí cur na chachtainí hugum like na can it was I think the Éist go show fasta Caras 2014 oh tin canal go fáil on céile car tanna bhír but fin canala bhí an cin eile cur Finry it was suspended or Twitter Yaga version on the real so
the thing is just for sophisticated in this way like it's in another show like even like the bots means could like messages at Facebook
yes
Instagram means it fucking weird
yes
to get a part of the group show agus tá from my message from my message at Instagram agus is am Instagram like public like just my foca agus for my message way bam agus rather she sean go like as in groceries in the carroty chuig beans and nuts skins. Agus just for like it husky my follows and we're like, okay, just thinking ashtuff like, and then next thing you know, that's just ma. Agus don't take any offense to this, but would you be up for being a sugar baby? You even walk like. I say you should like to be honest, be my kid
I mean,
like happy you too, like from like thanks a queen worm like, but not okay. But like. Sin like confidence booster gin go up more actually now that I'm a sugar baby, you know?
Tá sin có realta go cholí need like fáim cean na teachtar tí sin go seachtainúil agus just bíart blocking Áine leor agus just farrigan like seachtainí is which I goní có creepy faoi as higlam airgid de heola se de chunt is díra hanis má aontaí má tá tú sásta bheith it's a sugar baby and you're like
was all nachhuiir me si chat mar sin chuiche ní think be cuairta me bheith mar sugar baby.
It's only a matter of time, Hugh.
It's only a matter of time, I'm telling you. Sorry, there was just a gleo in the chat ratí sin as na contasí spam sin ag seán iad ar Facebook. Gia ditch ? Tá mé single a bhfuir tú an bhfuil tú mar an gghearna má tá simagad anam. It's féidir le teagla dhéanam go ddíar anis. Tásúlagam go bhfuí tú am tú splash emoji, 18s emoji, camera emoji, pointing ag gnáasc emoji. There's a cracker to like
mental like
Geoditch ... Cruí má grúpa nua a WhatsApp ahain a rií foiiste. Tá gnéis ag tastal ó go leor cáilní an seo a bhuichas le seo is féidir le buúlas na cáilní go léir a bhfuil gré a go dóibh. Clary and Shaw agus an sin like an emoji like mar Shaw agus a canal mar Shaw. So as in so like kind of point like the kind of no case architect cost and like general with knace like
Mo me se spammer being like a fáil.
Yeah, fu me rin saku like saku like.
Mohim le contas an phodchraoladh go mím blocaldíní a hanna lá fáin muid an urge an teachtarachtaí
promote this on could be records.
Promote on reality records. Agus just teachtarachtaí. Bhín daoine gcónaí chur teachtartaí rá. I'm a social media coordinator. I can help your page get 30,000 followers.
Only Hig.
Yeah. So are we.
Yeah.
We can't do what you can.
Yeah. Bhí muidir fád ag covers the man. Which is the punching chart.
Ní na target dogan fucking paid
campaign
content. Yeah. Organic is all it is for us.
Exactly. All free range content.
Corn-fed
content. Oh my god.
And that's sin rud a bhaise bheith leis picnic.
Yes. Content. Yes, exactly. Agus na Jennicky charm be cummer on the catfishes because that's down it. Time ní mudging catfishes. Ruglig will think of equal ugly arhu. Arkin Misha and exchange Jira mar a kappa. So an gnesil agus the 6-pack ogumsa the 12-pack exchange agus ta
no 24
sorry slab sorry shinikin
yeah.
That's a dad hook ogumsa.
Yeah. Oh my god. Carpaki na kin beer and Carpaki ta Tuborg ta that's gonna can you find to fairly see an ashke.
It's White Claw mission.
Well tasting carrot tas is ban bland who like that's goal.
James a criú cligan cos le narrow se go an White Claws cena ag fin na gali.
Well, mar nachro rawa be ega. You miss your cost and stuff.
Rocha Garan.
You're my girl, you're in row on so yeah.
Nero James white girl wasted.
Yeah. See, Ruth,
I beg to differ.
Ruth, we kind of slab. Can't have really committed, like
just passing your fault.
4 cans going Ruth Campbell.
Passing your fault. James's commitment just.
Got her Connie though. He got her dear tray.
Yeah.
I mean, got an Irie lot.
Partially Kurma.
And may in Guinea zeros that's Hugh and make the third with the BC slats.
So Cheannaigh me se create the football special.
Of course you did.
Cheannaigh me se create the football special. In fairness, right? Cheannaigh me se team muid the IP. Ní raibh se a bhain the IP. Bhí ma just a Gary. Yeah, would Jay give you a steam agus the send from a German groma, chart ration in all for Tomolug's groma, PVMX like, oh, pay a line put look EP. So yes,
Bei sugar high agus Hugh. Beit níos crackle sin an riile.
Oh, be my type 2 diabetic of Jerry and Jerry Shark. You like be my gandaughter be my go home, be my chin like made the orange and ring with 12 pubs, Harnollig in chart like never minute or man skull. Agus there's the lads from hey lots of Iron Brewery and doing that Penty Bjor or whatever. She must have Harvey's chin on the lads. I was we must have nice massive and yeah in the air like Shay kind of you were like no the Higgleby shot you had any smoke.
And stuff sin goes like candy floss. That's like whole millish.
That's like that's like fucking rocket fuel. Racing shot too. So yes, the big football special and then Badger Canon of Guinness Hero. I know they didn't know well represented. He's the end of the camp agus much he's and so chef much butcher look. Lads, she didn't division, eh? She didn't division, eh? Done Eagrán Shaw and preep. And preep Eagrán dá Na Seansálaithe má tattoo sa car fuilar na má tattoo sa bus na má tattoo an train na bí actual tú fuilar ag dá síos go strad bailí gur míle maigus of figation agus na Jenny German ag catfish ag minefield sa phobal gaelic Virginia ag genu Eagrán bia agus bé se go homán craic so fan cushion cheve na teise tafadogin well go go misha
Mata donna be cuatú call an minefield a sé gar the trench town agus the mind and body so but mind and body and not go make body and soul rivisha so ní se wad own stat more just
no
siúil bug but be ceach daoine optimum I'm sure ar an mappa bug ar an app
yes but not Jenny Jarvis catfish agus like arish being could be Ripshin mas mailh imaging sin igi car agent show be agus ná Jenny German fast the goal Gailgary show came on my hand flog of fast the chuig log earn Saturn Jira in the caps na vi ein gar ein overlap Harby their kneecap agus stand up as Gaelic so as a guy trying sin fast but realm should akel yeah, gotí sin tá muid ar na man hosta man lean muid halfain tá muid ar na Seansálaithe ar Instagram na Seansálaithe ar Twitter agus tá muid ar na Seansálaithe ar YouTube fast sin gur figling acal argóid éí galanta chumai le miganzi bós leis an jarú Dublin bus mas the area any am na man hosta more anywhere or Instagram anywhere or TikTok anywhere Twitter, one of the Gary James amshus is more Fáilte or Instagram, Fáilte or Twitter, Fáilte or TikTok, agus Big Daddy James or Tinder, agus mat the Gary Misha amshu or the man who hosted the time more Hugh Car here, Twitter, Hugh Car here, Instagram, agus more Greg Hugh Car or TikTok. Well, Áine was
that great ride car. Or Tinder.
Basically, I knew I wasn't going to get away with it. Basically, grow to hunt from the rare ashlam. I was being tension of wad nice fair, so fair play, bitch. Shouldn't I done Eagrán shot? Well, I know that like a game which flog on this sort of chain which on sort of boom which twisted hella. Sorry, sort of one which is the fumble like hella.
Ní go meach dinner bí borthe manhfuil muid acur, scéalt Instagram nuair a bhín airde bín an seirbhís lofa istí ag an picnic. Jenny muid ar níhil bidder sort updating ar the linear scale instant Na Seansálaithe, but seans na mé bud ábalta bín an seirbhís just lofa, so.
Yes. Bé much bia anyway. Bé much ní bhé much cáilte or ní bhé much well, bé much character gotí Jaron bedroom chuig log ar an Áine and then because then ní bhé arb sé an over any bishop just right should a massive reviewer so agus bhí sé an jazz into famously the machine Tom very well behaved. ag féiltí ceall. A gotí an Eagrán siúgaing an Eagrán beá siúgaing na chuide gotí sin gur míid géisi le rééis agus idirrás an seaachtaing siúgaing le Eagrán go thoman nua phodchraoladh agus ag hafafog radio rira agus an Áine agus an Lún. Ach gotí sin sláinmh agus mat béisih linn, bud í soltas EP.
Fun.
Well,